Hello, my loving children. I am Parul Gupta, class teacher of UKG. Welcome to the online class. Children, today I'll teach you maths. This is your maths book, children. The name of your maths book is Smart Maths Primer. All of you open page number 13. In this page, our topic is near and far. The meaning of near is pass and the meaning of far is dur. Look at this picture. One boy is near the flower and this boy is far from the flower. This boy said, I am near the flower. But this boy said, I am far from the flower. ये बॉय फ्लावर के पास में खड़ा है लेकिन ये बॉय फ्लावर से दूर है. नाउ सी दिस एग्जाम्पल. नाउ दिस इज अ पेंसिल एंड दिस इज एन इरेजर. इरेजर इज नियर द पेंसिल बट द शार्पनर इज far from the pencil. Okay, now let's do the exercise in practice session. Take fish which is near and aquarium and cross the fish which is far from the aquarium. Children, this is an aquarium. Two fishes in the water. Okay, one fish is near the aquarium but other fish is far from the aquarium. So we will write tick mark that fish is near the aquarium and write cross that fish is far from the aquarium. Now let's do other exercise. Tick which is far from the tree and cross which is near the tree. This is the sign of tick and this is the sign of cross. Okay, this is a tree. This boy is near the tree. Okay, and this dog is far from the tree. So which one is far? Dog is far from the tree. So we will write here cross and this boy is near the tree. So we will do cross. Okay, children? Next page is page number 14. In this page, the topic is inside. The meaning of inside is अंदर, अंदर की तरफ. And outside. The meaning of outside is बाहर. Look at this picture. Two birds are there. One bird is inside the cage. This is a cage, पिंजरा. But this bird is outside the cage. So this bird said, I am inside the cage. And this bird said, I am outside the cage. Some more examples are there, children. Look at this. This is a pen holder. Many pens are inside the pen holder. But this pen is outside the pen holder. Okay. ये सारे अंदर की तरफ हैं और ये पेन बाहर है. Now, more examples are here. Look at this picture. Two glasses are there. In this glass, a spoon is inside the glass. But in this picture, a spoon is outside the glass. In this picture, two pens inside the box. But these pens are outside the box. In this picture, two matchboxes are here. One matchbox is filled, but in this matchbox, 2 matchsticks are outside. Okay. So now let's do the exercise in practice session. Write I for inside object and O for outside object. Now different 4 pictures are there. Now let's see the first picture. This boy is inside the house, but this boy is outside the house. So inside the house we will write here I, and that boy is outside the house, so we will write here O. Okay. 2 fruits are there. One apple is inside the plate, but this banana is outside the plate. So we will write here I and here O. Okay. One boy is inside the bus and one boy is outside the bus. So this boy is outside the bus. So we will write O, and this boy is inside the bus. So we will write here I. 2 eggs are there. One egg is inside the nest, but other egg is outside the nest. So we will write here O, and in this side write I. So children, you have to complete this exercise and write here date also. When you are completing your work, you will write date. Now next page is, children, next page is page number 15. In this page, fill in the missing forward numbers. Forward numbers जो नंबर आगे की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is forward numbers. Okay. So we have to write our counting 1 to 100. Okay children. Now let's start. But listen, this block is very big. So we have to start mid of this block and we will touch the lower line. After 1 comes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Children, those numbers are printed in this page. You will not write again. Okay? Just after 10 comes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 is printed. So after 19 comes 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 is written, 29, 30, 30. After 30 comes 31, 32, 33, 34 is written. After 34 comes 35, 36, 37 is written. After 37, 38, 39, 40. 40, 40. After 40 comes 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 is written, 46 is written. After 46 comes 47, 48, 49 and 50, 50. Children, you have to complete 1 to 100 in this space. Okay? Children, you have to complete forward numbers like this. Okay? With sharp pencil.